and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4. Discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hi, it's Paul from AI Copy Ninja, and firstly, many thanks for investing in the program. I promise this is going to dramatically improve your copywriting skills and, of course, give you a boost for your business. Now, before you go, I've got something special for you that's going to help you get even more from the program. Now, I don't know about you, but whenever I've been learning a new skill, I've found that the most productive time is when I get an opportunity to speak to the experts. And if you've done the same, you know exactly how it can help you. It helps you overcome those initial challenges and hurdles. You know, when you don't really know what you're doing yet, it gives you a focus for the future, which means that you've got the confidence that you're going to succeed. And that's why I'm offering you the opportunity to book a private 30-minute one-to-one session with me when we can discuss anything to do with your copywriting project so that you gain that focus and clarity we talked about and you have the confidence to know that you're going to succeed. Now, we can talk about anything you want or any aspect of the copywriting project that's giving you trouble. It may be the technical aspects of ChatGPT. Perhaps you're struggling figuring out how to do precise and clear prompts, or creating the conversation, prompt engineering, is giving you a problem. It doesn't really matter what it is. The purpose of this 30-minute session is that at the end of it, one thing which we'll make sure of is that you fully understand exactly what ChatGPT can do for you and for your business. On the other hand, it might be just the copywriting itself. Now, the good news is I've been doing this since 1979, so that's 44 years of experience you can call upon. So whether it's the attention-grabbing headline you're stuck with, or you've not got that engagement that you really want with the opening paragraphs, or creating a compelling offer or powerful call to actions are giving you a problem, it doesn't really matter. The whole premise of this 30-minute session is that together we will ensure that your copywriting project is going to be a success. So how much is this worth to you? Well, here's something I've done. I've typed into Google how much do copywriters charge for a long form sales letter. Let's have a look at what answers come up. So here we go. How much does sales copywriting cost? And I'll zoom into this. Based on a beginner's rate, the lowest rate, and based on 500 words, it's anything between $75 to $100 for those 500 words. Now, most long-form sales letters are between 2,000 to 3,000 words long, so you're talking about $400-ish. Now, if you just do one single letter, that's $400. If you do 2 letters a week, that's $40,000. Look at what the sales writers earn online. This is a company called Upwork, which is you go to Upwork and you offer your services if you're a copywriter, or you buy copywriting if you're a client. So wow, $80 per hour, $51 per hour, $50 per hour, $85. Where can you earn that kind of money? Well, here's where you can earn that kind of money. That's what you can achieve with what potentially could just be a side hustle, $40,000 or $50,000 a year. So how much do you think it's worth investing to ensure that you have everything in place, all the skill set and everything to make sure you've got the potential at least to earn this $40,000 a year. Would 10% of that figure be okay? I think that sounds fair, 4,000. But what about 1,000? What about $250? Because that is what I want from you as an investment in my time, 30 minutes, when you ask me anything, ask my advice on anything, guidance on anything, and I will help you make sure that you are in a position to, if you want to, go out and offer your services to other businesses and earn this kind of money. And I'm also giving you something extra as well. And that something special is that we're giving you the recordings of our 30-minute sessions, which means you'll have them forever. You can go back and refer to them, fast forward, rewind, etc. Make sure that you fully understand all the points that we will have covered in our session. But there is a catch. The catch is that I'm only making 30 slots available. Now, the last time I offered this out to my consultancy database, this was snapped up very, very quickly, not surprisingly. So if this is something that you think might help your business, book your slot straight away on the link below. And let's face it, no matter how good reports are, training materials, instruction materials, no matter how good videos are, sometimes, just sometimes, you don't get it. I know I felt like that occasionally. And the difference a guiding hand can make, just to get you over those initial hurdles, give you that clarity and focus we spoke about, and boost your confidence, makes all the difference. So if you're struggling, let me be your guiding hand. Just book your slot in the box below, and I look forward to working with you.